Welcome back to Morning Markets on Tuesday, the 20th of July. George Bell here, investment analyst, to bring you up to date on the key market moves over the last 24 hours. Yesterday, we experienced a bout of volatility within equity markets as investors flocked towards government bonds, registering a sharp move down within yields. The main catalyst was increasing concern of the rise in COVID-19 infection cases, presenting challenges for the rate in which economies can continue easing restrictions, which factors into expectations for economic growth moving forward. In terms of equity market moves in the UK, the FTSE 100 was down around 2.3%. In the US, the S&P 500 down around 1.6%, the Nasdaq Composite down around 1.1%, Europe down 2.7%, Japan down around 0.9%, and in Asia down around 1% overall. Some of the hardest hit areas being airlines, however, consumer staples and healthcare companies offered a degree of protection on the day. Volatility was also felt within energy markets. As we discussed yesterday on Morning Markets, OPEC Plus agreed to increase oil production levels by 400,000 barrels per day each month starting from August, with a plan to take output back to levels where they were pre-pandemic, when supply was tapered back to manage falling oil prices. By the end of 2022, we should see oil production output back to those pre-pandemic levels. Concerns around rising cases and pressure this presented to travel exuberated the moves in energy prices. Brent crude off around 6.7% on the day, taking Brent crude to $68.6 per barrel. This morning, it's back up to around 69.2. Within bond markets, some large moves in yields reflecting a positive day for sovereign bonds. In the US, 10-year Treasury bonds yields were down around 9.5 basis points to a level of 1.19%. In the 30-year, down around 9.2 basis points to 1.83. The chart on screen demonstrates the change in the shape of the yield curve, the heavier green line demonstrating the curve as of close last night versus Friday, which is the yellow line. Here we can see the moves were more pronounced at the longer end of the curve, reflecting a flatter yield curve overall, or a moderation in growth or inflationary expectations. Within the UK, yields on the 10-year bond came in around 6.6 basis points to a level of 0.56%. The 30-year in around 8.1 basis points to 1.03%. Gold was broadly flat on the day. The dollar was slightly stronger, with investors seeking protection. You had the Dixie, which is against a basket of international currencies, up around 0.2%. Sterling slightly weaker on the day, down around 0.7% against the dollar, cable closing at around 136. In terms of sterling against the euro, that came in at around 115. Discussions around challenges of the virus are prone to bring periods of volatility within the market, hence our approach at true potential of providing a diversified investment solution for clients at all time. Thank you for watching. We look forward to bringing you up to date tomorrow on Morning Markets.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.